So a week after dropping my car off at Auto Protect, my F8 Spider is finally ready. And this is what it looks like. It has a full Stealth XL PPF protection. Double skinning on the high impact areas on the front and on the side. I absolutely love the matte finish on it. Regular viewers will know I've like my matte cars and frequently done a colour change. But in this case, I love the blue Corsa. I wanted to keep the colour the same, but have it thoroughly protected for the track days and road tours I'm going to do in the car. And this was the perfect solution. And a demonstration of how the XPEL protects the car. If it acquires scratches and stuff, heating it up takes care of most scratches. Work's been done to an amazing degree. Even a custom piece over the shark fin aerial. And as I said, double protection on the skirts, the lower areas, and obviously the bonnet. One thing I've never had before is windscreen protection. It's also got a windscreen protection film on it to protect us against stone chips in the high-speed convoys I sometimes find myself in, and on track days. So it'll be interesting to see how that works. So many thanks to the guys at Auto Protect. I'll report back on how the car gets on.